Hi, it's Therese from Lostinpaper, back with another video tutorial for Scrapbook Boutique. Having some fun today. I'm going to use these My Mind's Eye stamps and enamel dots. The stamps are Boy Crazy, really cute little set of stamps, and just a sentiment from the Alleyway stamps called Priceless Joy as well. Before I start, I just want to share with you how the paper packs are sold at Scrapbook Boutique. Really awesome cardstock. One side's textured, one side's flat. It comes in a pack of 30 sheets for $19.95, so you couldn't ask for any more. It's about 67 cents for a piece of cardstock, 12 by 12, and they come in different assortments, so you can just go and take a look. But this one's one of their new ones. It's called Trendsetters Pack, and it's got some really fun colours in it. I'll just show you them. So it's a real good mix of colours, this one. It's could be used for both girls and boys, so blues and greens, nice brights as well, and some greys. Very modern. I like it. It's awesome. I like that colour a lot. So I'm going to use a couple of these papers today. And also some paper from Pebbles called Seen and Noted. You've probably seen me use this before. It's getting a bit of a workout in my house. What a cute paper pad. So I'll get started. So I'm going to use an image. Couldn't resist it. It has to be that robot image from this stamp set, and colouring on some Copic Express It blending cardstock. So I'll just put them onto a little block, and I'm going to use some grey flannel, Memento grey flannel ink, because I want to be doing some Copic colouring, and the Memento inks are perfect when you're going to do some Copic colouring. So colours I'm going to use are in the BG group, one of my favourite groups. So I've got BG 10, 13 and 15. So I'll just colour this up and cut it out, and I'll be right back. So I'm back now, and I've got a card base made from some cardstock out of the Trendsetter pack. This one's called Goldfish. Finished size, it's a top fold, is 15 by 10.5 centimetres, and got some granite, which is a nice dark grey, and then a piece of design paper out of the Seen and Noted pad. So I'm going to start by stamping my image, still in the grey flannel, onto my design paper. I'm going to use some Copic markers to create a shadow. And I've got a Copic multi-liner. This is probably my favourite size. It's 0.3. So just going to do some movement lines. Then I'll just colour in the edges of this little fella, just so when because I'm going to mount the pieces that I've made on top, and I just like to be able to not see the edges uncoloured. Next I've got a few the little stamps from the Boy Crazy stamp set, and some Ranger Archival Aquamarine. Just going to stamp these out. What have I got here? Ladybug. And Tangelo. These are the enamel dots. I've been so wanting these for such a long time, and I've finally got them in, and I love them. So they are going to make up the rest of my circle. And what colours? Small one. And some orange. They are sweet. My sentiment is from the Priceless Joy set from the Alleyway stamps, and I'm just deciding what colour. I think I'll do it in Onyx Black. And one more. Why not? So I'll just paper piece my robot. I'll mount this onto the granite. And then onto the card front. Using some foam squares. And we'll be done. Simple fun card using my mind's eye stamps and enamel dots, and also some great papers from Seen and Noted. I hope you've had some fun today. I know I have. What a easy card to make, and thanks for joining me. You can find all of these products that I've used linked at my blog. Otherwise, head on over to Scrapbook Boutique and you can find them there. Have a great day. Hope you find some crafty time. Bye.